Then in the middle of the dance floor, the boy I married broke away from me, ran out of the casino. A few moments later, a shot. I ran out, all did. All ran and gathered at the terrible thing at the edge of the lake. I couldn't get near for the crowd. Then somebody caught my arm and said, "Don't go any closer. You don't want to see." See? See what? And then I heard voices say, "Alan. Alan. The gray boy." Now he'd stuck a revolver into his mouth and fired, so that the back of his head had been completely blown away. And it was because unable to stop myself, I said, "I know." I know. And you disgust me.